Hey guys, my name is Spectrum Dojic, and today I'm going to tell you how to get your stuff unstuck from your Flits wallet if you're cold stake. So as you guys can see here, this is what you call your seed reference word for your Flits app. Now, to get to this, you need to go into your settings. Now, don't do it unless you get your biometrics and everything else set. But remember, you do not want to give these set of words to anybody ever on your account. I don't care who they are or what they're doing. They will never ask for these from you. Okay? Anybody that works really good with any kind of crypto won't ask for your seed. Okay, so we're going to start with something like this. Now, let's say our Dogecash is stuck and we're not getting our cold staking to work and we can't get it to seem to stop out of the cold stake so we can pull it out. So here's what we do. You want to get your seed, and I like putting it in a little notepad like this and then deleting it. Okay. After doing so, you need to go to a registered proper site from Flits for their extractor. Okay. Now their Flits extractor is something like this. And as you can see, I've already typed in the seeds. Okay, so that's what you're going to do is you're going to ask for the Flits seed from your Flits app and you're going to type it in right here. No commas, no anything, just type it in normal with normal spaces. And you're going to type in the seed just as so, just like that. Okay. Now, after you type that up, it'll give you a list of stuff here that you want to choose from. But you need to make sure that you're on Dogecash specifically. Okay. You need Dogecash specifically. That's the only way to make sure you're going onto the right account. So make sure you get to the Dogecash specific. All right. After you do that, okay, you're going to want to download Dogecash Core, which you get from Dogecash themselves. And you want to go to their site, which I have a link down below. While you're in here, okay, first step is you need to make sure you enter your key seed phrase properly over here. After doing so, you're going to need a private key. Now, to import your private key, you need to go down to Settings. Okay, you want to go to Debug, Console. Okay, now what you're going to put in is your private key here. Now, you don't want people to know this. This is just a demo, so I don't really care. But it's going to be underneath right here where your addresses and public keys are at. Now, I'm going to toggle these so you guys know. Now, you want the private key. Now, the private key is going to be this right here. Okay. You want your fake private key. Hopefully, you have a real one. Let's use this fake one. And you're going to take this and you're going to put it down here into your private key console. Okay. Now, after doing so, you're going to type in. All right. You're going to type in. Okay. Import. Oh, look at this right here. Import private key. Right there. See how that says that right there? Import private key. So you're going to do that with a space, and we're going to stick in this private key right here. Okay, our cold stake key, let's say. Now, after doing so, it's going to import it over to here. Okay, it's going to come over here to your Dogecash wallet to pull it out. Okay, you'll go into your cold staking. It's going to show you what your address and everything is. All right. To pull it out, you need to go into your send. Now, when you go into send, it's going to ask you specifically down here if you want to pull from delegations also, so that's how you do it. You want to be able to pull from delegations and you pull out what your cold stake is into, let's say, your stake cube account, which you guys can see here up over here in the background. That is my stake cube. So from there, you would take your stake cube address and you would add it into here. Okay. And you would want to send that amount right up in here, and you want to send that amount to your stake cube address. Okay. So this is how you get everything out of cold stake. All right, let's run through it one more time. You want to go to dogecash.org, okay, which is this right here, and get your core wallet. You also want to download your Flits app too, your extraction tool. All right, you're going to type in your seed. After typing in your seed, you're going to go down to where your private key is, right? And you're going to enter your private seed, well, I guess your private key into your Dogecash here, okay? So when you do it, you're going to import private key space and then type in whatever your private key is, okay? And you're going to have to wait for the prompt arrow, all right? Now click on your cold staking icon, all right? And then check to make sure everything is A-okay. And this is what I did, okay? I checked to make sure everything's okay. And then to send it out, you need to go to your send, okay? And then go down to your delegations, all right? So this is how you move your cold staking. You guys have a wonderful evening, and thank you very much for stopping by. Hopefully this helps you guys understand how to get your stuff unstuck when it's stuck on your cold staking on Flits app specifically. All right, guys, have a wonderful evening. Spectrum Dojic is out.